outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore. With a brave eye free and love first soar, come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway, I won't ride it all night long. If you're going my way, well I won't drive it all night long. Life is a highway. Life is a highway. Through all these cities and all these towns, it's in my blood and it's all around. I love you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the hands. From Mozambique to those Memphis nights, the Calvary past to Vancouver's light. Knock me down and back up again. You're in my blood, I'm not a lonely man. There's no load I can hold. A road so rough, this I know. I'll be there when the light comes in. Just tell me we're about us. Life is a highway, I won't ride it all night long. Woo! If you're going my way, well I won't drive it all night long. Gimme, yeah. Life is a highway, I won't ride it all night long. Ooh, yeah. If you're going my way, well I wanna drive it all night long. There was a distance between you and I. A misunderstanding once, but now we look it in the eye. Ooh, yeah. Life is a highway. Life is a highway. Life is a highway. Life is a highway. There ain't no load that I can't hold. A road so rough, this I know. I'll be there when the light comes in. Just tell them we're about love. All night long, yeah. All night long. Gimme, hey. Life is a highway. Ooh, yeah. You're going my way. All night long, yeah. Come on, gimme, hey. Hands up! Goodbye, yesterday. I'm living in the light of a new day. I won't waste another minute in my old ways. Praise the Lord, I've been born again. Goodbye, yesterday. I'm living in the light of a new day. I won't waste another minute in my old ways. Praise the Lord, I've been born again. Yeah. Oh, I've been born again. Again and again and again and again. You rescued me out of the mess I was in. You traded my sorrow for something to sing. Now I'm dancing on the grave of I once lived in. Goodbye, yesterday. I'm living in the light of a new day. I won't waste another minute in my own ways. Praise the Lord, I've been born again. Goodbye, yesterday. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me. I've got resurrection in my veins. Praise the Lord, I've been born again and again and again and again. You rescued me out of the mess I was in. You traded my sorrow for
Yo, welcome to another HyperDrive live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the NASDAQ futures market using the HyperDrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session, you want to learn this system, grab my HyperDrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. We are live. It is February 3rd. First day of February, first trading day of February. Good morning. What's up, Jimmy P? What's up, George, Juliet, Jim B, Arnie? What's up, Steph, Emma, Carl, Amy, Nita, Christine, Jazzy J? Good morning. We are also streaming live. We'll be live all month on YouTube. So what's up to everybody watching on YouTube? We got a minute and 20. What up, Blue? Minute and 20 before the market opens. I'm excited because of the updates that we've made to the indicator. We can see just by looking here on this one chart that we're in a stalemate on the 1, stalemate on the 3, and we're in alignment for buys on the 5. So yeah, we'll talk more about the updates to the indicator. Hopefully everybody saw my message in the Telegram channel and went on and updated your indicator. And if you haven't, get that done. And I'll show you how to do that if you needed any help. If you are watching on YouTube, go ahead and say something in the chat so I know that you're out there. Market's about to open here, but we are in a stalemate, so I'm going to be waiting. For those of you guys that don't know me, as that video said, I am Coach CJ. Welcome to the session. She's going to be a wild month. Man, she's already off to a wild month, but not unexpected, as I talked to you guys about in Telegram. I was expecting this to continue going down, but I wasn't expecting that big old gap. So we got another gap in the market, and actually I need to put in our daily targets here. What's up, Bob? Because I deleted everything off my chart. So let me do this real quick. We also have some news today. 945 orange, red folder 10. All right. So let's mark up these levels. If you did update your indicator already, give me a 7 in the chat. If you did not, give me a 3. All right. I'm going to put these in here as well. This is basically our gap area here. So these are more like daily lows, but we'll put those into the track. The bounce back. So I got 7s, got some 3s. Juan says he's trying to do it now. Paul, Carl need to do it as well. All right, I'll show you guys how to get that done here in a second. But we're in a stalemate on the 1 and an alignment for buys on the 3 and the 5. So we're waiting on the 1 here. We got a minute left in this opening candle. The 3-minute opening candle. Oh, wow. Even easier option. Look at Ken. Yeah, Ken's just been so helpful. He just said that if you haven't updated the indicator, you should be able to just click on the 3 dots beside the indicator and select Update Script option. So I believe since mine is updated, it doesn't say it. But here's the 3 dots right here. You click on that, and then I'm assuming somewhere in here it's going to say update script. Mine doesn't say it, more than likely because mine's updated. But if you haven't done it, that's going to be the easier option than what I told you to do, which is to delete the indicator off your chart, refresh your screen. It's going to come back. Delete it again, then go to indicators. In your favorites, you'll see it says the HyperDrive system. You click on that, and there it is. So that's the long way. So that's the long way, but check out Ken's way. And yeah, thank you, Ken. What would we do without Ken? I could tell you this: we would not have automatic starting automatic quarter levels just moving around. We won't have that without Ken. I could tell you that much. So give Ken a shout out. Give him some love in the chat for those automatic quarter levels. So you no longer have to put in the starting price. And it's taking a while for my indicator to load right now. I don't know if it's my internet. We're still in the stalemate on the 1 though, so. There we go. So next thing to do is get the volume in the box, low, medium, or strong volume. All I care about on that is blue, but like Steph just said, you can adjust the colors. You still have the option to do the 4 colors here. I just made it all blue for simplicity for myself. But you can go light blue and a light red there. All right. So we're waiting on the 1 minute here. Our volume is really low. Again, this is also first week of the month. It's NFP week. So there are going to be a day or two where the market is just consolidated. You know, we may run into some sloppy price action because of that. But we'll see what happens. Right now our volume is probably, what was it, 3? Medium? Probably medium. Medium to low now. Oh, looks like we, did we just flip here? I think my internet is super weak today, maybe because I'm streaming. Yeah, we did. If we can get a chance to get back in here at this 250, I'm going to take 250 family. I'm not gonna chase it, so I'm gonna put a buy limit in here at 250, and I'm already in. All right, so I'm in at 250 for a buy limit right here. You guys probably got better entries. Don't take me out. Let's move it up now. Let me know your price. I got 250 exactly. I was able to put a buy limit in, and it's breathing on my stop loss. 225, 238. Great entry. Great entry. Yeah, keep pushing up there. Got 40 seconds left in this 3-minute candle. It's giving some nice rejection off of the structure here. Like to see this closing back above 250. Oh yeah, good push. All right, so one thing that I love about the updates here that Ken provided us with, there's our break even right there, family. Gonna break even on this trade. One thing I love about this is that we're able to see, visually see. So me, I have these dotted lines here because what Ken did is he put in like, I'll show you guys in the settings here. He put in here at the bottom 25 point levels as well. So I have mine red and dashed. And so you can visually see when it's time to go break even, because obviously we go break even at 25 points. And then again, as the price moves, the quarter level lines will move as well. And now, as I mentioned in the Telegram, he has some other things in here that at some point, we're 50 points in profit right now. At some point, I'll have him explain how he uses them. I have them, they're defaulted off, so none of you guys have them on right now. But we'll find some time to figure out when we can do that. We're almost a TP here. I'm going to go ahead and slide my stop loss up some more here. TP is 325. Oh, you guys actually already be at TP because you had better entries than I did. So throw TP in the chat if you're already there. This might come back and take me out. Yeah, I'm out on that one. I'm out on that one, around 20 points there. We have news. I'm actually not opposed to taking another trade today. Normally, I'll probably be done after that, but since we still have this news and volume, it seems like it's picking up. This could just be a pullback. Congrats, George. Just passed another challenge. Good stuff. And I think somebody else passed the challenge with that too. If they move their stop loss to 60 points instead of 75, if they can hear me, they were supposed to move their stop. They were 60 points away, so I'll wait on them to speak in the chat if they were able to do that. I'm not looking to take 250 again yet. Okay, no, she just said I got in late. Probably should have. It didn't touch 250 anyway, but I do want to take this one more time. That made it about 60 points in profit there. But yeah, a lot of you guys got really good entries. Let's go. Not only did he pass another challenge, but he's taking a withdrawal. Let's get it. Payout time. Good stuff, George. I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know when and if I get back in this. I had a bearish engulfing candle here on the 1 minute. Keeps closing back above 275 on the 1 minute. I'm gonna wait on this news. This first news folder is orange, but I'm gonna wait on this 945 because if it can dip down just a little bit more. I'm starting to get a bullish engulfing candle here in the 3 minute though. So I will definitely take 300 if it closes above 300. It hasn't touched 250 again, but we can see a nice bullish engulfing candle here on the 1. And it's tapped back into that, so. Oops. Didn't clear out my TP there. All right. All right, we got this news coming here, and right now, actually, we're touching 250 right now. The J4 looks really nice, actually. At 225 right now. Rejecting a little bit. Just touched the J4. About to hit 200 here. I haven't measured it, but it looks like maybe an 886 on this retracement of this jump up here. Rejecting out of that same area where this bullish engulfing candle is. All right, we're at 200 right now and hitting the middle of this order block. I'm going to put in a buy limit here at 200. If it comes back down, I'll be in. So I got a buy limit in at 200, family. Nice rejection off of there, though, giving bullish engulfing candle so far. We have more news at 10 o'clock, 8 minutes. I really like this bullish engulfing candle. I'll take 250 if we close above 250. I still have a buy limit in at 200 for right now. I just wanted to see a little reaction from that area first. I'm in now. I'm in now. So this is the second touch here of 200. Because we came down pretty heavy. I mean, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So this could go either way. Obviously, we're still in alignment on all time frames for the buys. So I just wanted to see it have some sort of initial reaction that it didn't want to just completely blow through it. But it could be blowing through right now. this is probably gonna take us out here if it doesn't react in the next 10 seconds. Next candle might touch 175. Yep, I just got taken out there. All right, so I'm even on the day right now. And let's see what happens here. See if this flips over from a structural standpoint, at least. We have 10 o'clock news, red folder, PMI in less than 5 minutes. It's reacting off of 75. See if we can get back to that order block, or it's going to use it. If we get back above, we're pushing stalemate here on the 1. I see it popping in and out. But if we stay in alignment and we get back above 200, I might replay that. I will replay that. We got 1 minute 25 seconds left in this candle. This order block might send us down though. What's it gonna be? Oh, it looks like we're in a stalemate on the 1 now. Yep. All right. Nice reaction off of 175. Oh, wait. 1 just came back. It must be the volume then. Okay, so not the trend, it's the volume that's going back and forth. Oof. All right, we might be back here. Got 12 seconds left. Bullish engulfing candle. Yeah, we're back here. I'm going to put in 200. It closed above 25 though, so it might go from there. But I'm going to put this 200 back in. Yeah, it looks like it's going to go. Got this news at 10 o'clock. This 10 o'clock news could send it. Yeah, this is about to send it up. I'm still keeping 200 in for right now. I'm not going to chase it. Might come back and get us. Yeah, that volume on the 1 minute is low. I should be canceling this buy limit right now. All right, I'm canceling the buy limit. We're in a stalemate. All right, canceled the buy limit. If it would have put me in like instantly, I would have held on to it. But let's see what this news does. Since we know it's not the trend, it's the volume, we could definitely get this volume back on the 1 minute. So my buy limit is canceled. I don't have anything open here. Buy limit is canceled. Waiting for the news. See if our volume comes back on the 1 minute. Maybe we can get another entry somewhere else. Looks like we just got the volume back. No, not yet. All right, finger off the trigger. 37 seconds before this news comes out. All right, news is coming. Good thing we deleted that buy limit. All right, I'm gonna be looking at this off the 1 for right now, just to watch the volume. The trend on it is a little lower; it's around 161. So again, rejecting off of 175 with 3 seconds left on this candle. Closing above 200 here. Closes back above that order block I got marked up off the 3. I would imagine that if the volume is going to come back, this will send us above 250, and then maybe we'll be looking to get back in around 250. So while we wait, with as Ken told you guys, hitting that 3 dots, let me do one more time for those few people that didn't have it when they first started. I want to make sure everybody got the updated indicator. Give me a 3 in the chat again if you still don't have it. Give me a 3 in the chat if you still have not updated your indicator. All right, so Coach Jason, all you have to do is on Arnie, Coach Jason, all you have to do is hit on what you currently have, HD1, hit the 3 dots right here. And then in here, you're going to see something that says, what did he say? It said update script or something like that. Yeah, update script. Click on that, and you should be good to go. Once you guys do that, give me a 7 in the chat, so I know that you did it and you did it successfully. Oh yeah, we completely lost the 1. 1 is red now. The 3, I mean, they're not too far off. I was gonna say if they flip, we might be done. I mean, it has to drop like 70 points in order to catch the 5. I might just take this even and be done for the day. But we'll see. It's still early. It's only 10 o'clock. Coach Jay, Arnie, you guys good? Yes, on TradingView. I'm on TradingView right here. This is TradingView. On your indicator that you currently have, yours is going to say HD1. There's a hover over it. There's 3 dots that pop up. It says more. Click on it. And then once you click on it, in here somewhere, it's going to say update script. Click on that. Let me know if you guys have any questions while we wait. I'm just waiting on you, Coach Jay. Let me know that you got it, because I want to talk a little bit about the indicator again before we possibly sign off here. Got a potential stalemate going on here on the 3. This is probably going to end up falling down. So I'm even on the day, and I'm fine with that. We had our first entry here at 200, and it ran up 60 plus points. Oh, was it not 200? What was it? What was our entry at? Sorry, 250. You have 3 dots, but when you click on it, nothing happens. So when you click on it, none of these options pop up that are on my current screen. Interesting. All right, well, we could talk about it offline. So again, just to recap, main components, main upgrades are our multi-time frame chart here. So we can obviously, you guys can see this in real time without me really having to move time frames to look. You can see your alignment on the 1 is red, on the 3 is a stalemate, and on the 5 is blue, right? So we want them all to be matching for our multi-time frame alignment. And if they're not, we wait for them to be, okay? So that's number 1. Got that done. And this is pretty accurate. Now, bird's eye view, and you could, like I know last month or so, I was telling you guys not to pay attention to that because, again, the way that was coded, it was different. This is coded to only grab the 1, the 3, and the 5. All right, so it's only coded to grab the 1, the 3, and the 5. Can't be changed. Not by you guys. Okay. The second thing, what I was about to say was still, if you want to, you know, double check with your actual eyes to see if you're red on top, red on the bottom, feel free to do so. But I have faith in this chart so far. I've tested it pretty thoroughly. It hasn't steered me wrong yet. And then the other thing is, and Ken, again, shout out to Ken. Ken did this one. Our quarter levels. You guys know in our previous indicator, we had to put in a starting price every few days because the market's moving. We would have to change our starting price for our quarter levels to show up around the price. So like, for example, today I would have came to my indicator. I would have had to put in 21,200 for the quarter levels to populate around price. Don't have to do that anymore. Thanks to Ken, he coded where the quarter levels will move with price. Also in there in the settings is some options to have on here 25 point levels. They're already defaulted on for you because I used them, and I used them as I did today to visually see break even. Obviously you can visually see your stop loss as well. Obviously we're doing 25 point stop loss, 75 point TP, and the way I trail, especially on Apex, every 25 points I'm moving my stop loss. So when that position starts off like we started off here, all right, we had it set up like that. So as you can see, 25 points is right there where that red dashed line is. And I'll just make this thicker just for example purpose so you guys can see it. Those they can't. It's coming. There, see? So those dotted lines, dashed lines I just made thicker. That's 25 points. This is 50. So from entry, that was entry. That's where I go break even. That's our 50 points, and that's our TP. Vice versa, that's our stop loss. Make sense? So that's how I use the 25 point lines. I'm not using them for entries or anything like that. It's more so for managing position. And then I'm not going to explain this. I'll let Ken do this. Maybe he can put a message or a voice note or something in our chat to explain how he uses the 12.5 and the 10 point levels. All right. But those are also options in there as well. I do know higher level that he uses them for trailing, but I'll let him explain more in depth. And but they're defaulted to be off. All right. Other than that, I took out some things that we don't really use anymore. But yeah, those are the updates to the indicator. I am very happy with them. Glad I was able to get the multi-time frame chart done. Makes things a lot easier. Don't have to worry about focus on putting the trend lines in there and stuff like that. I can just visually see everything from there. Jason got it now. Perfect. Cool. All right. So I think that's going to be it for the day, at least for right now. If you guys want to continue watching the market, we would need this market to at least get around the 107 level to change the 5 from a trend perspective. 106, 107. I mean, it's dropping kind of hard right now. It might do it. It might do it. What do y'all think? Wait or monitor on our own? If there's questions, you guys can keep me here for at least another 45 minutes. If there's any questions, if you keep me talking, we can stay here. And obviously in the settings, you guys can change colors and all that stuff. I know some of you guys have a dark mode, stuff like that. So you can change the colors to whatever you want. And the width, you can make these lines pretty thick. I have mine on 2s and 1s. Bearish engulfing candle here in a 3-minute. We're seeing obviously a lot of price action coming out of this push up here. So I think the market definitely has flipped. It's the thing for me when I see us so far away, especially on the 5-minute. There's a lot of price action that needs to happen pretty much, not necessarily all at once. Well, we want it to happen all at once because we only trade till 11 a.m. So it'll be more beneficial for us for it to happen for us all at once, like one big straight shot, because then we know that we have time to get in. It could happen, and it might happen later in the afternoon where the next big move comes, because obviously we had a huge gap. We jumped back into it. with our first entry, which ran about 60 something points. And so this could be the next leg down that we're currently in right now. It's just for us, we would like this to happen sooner than later, because obviously I personally don't trade past 11 a.m. Eastern. But it is happening, so. I meant to ask you, why do you have blue and red since the money is green? Mine is green and red. Blue and red on what? Like the I don't know. Like, why do I say blue on top, blue on the bottom? Is that what you mean? I don't know. I don't know why I did that. I don't have a high level explanation for you on that. I don't know. Like, why did I make stalemate purple? I don't know. I just did. Sorry, that question's not going to keep us here for 45 minutes. Ken just posted, if you look at my trailing option screenshot in Telegram, you will see how I use the 12.5 point markers to trail his entries. Do I always want on a 5? What do you mean by that? Like watch the 5? The only reason I'm on the 5 right now is because that's the only one on the stalemate. Are you asking me, am I always going to wait on the 1, 3, and the 5 to be in alignment? Yes. That's the whole point of all 3 being in congruence. You know me, I'm all or nothing. I don't like really rebel in between things. Like, you know, clearly the sellers are stepping in. We got the 1, we got the 3. We could probably catch a sale off of 150, maybe not right now. Although the 5's on the stalemate. I don't know. Maybe. You know? But what I do know is that when we have all 3, we have a high quality setup. Let's see. I mean, since we had the 1, it's pros and cons to everything, right? If you just look at the 1 minute right now, we could have had a sale off of 200. It would have only made it to break even and then back. And then, did this close above? No, it didn't. It wouldn't have re-entered here. So we could be playing around right now at 150. Also would have been at break even. So, but we've also seen where the flip side of that is that when we don't have the 3 or the 5 in a congruence with that as well, where these are losses. You know? So. I'm the type of person that is okay with missing what is not for me and taking what is and living with the result of that regardless. Yeah, we're not too far off. We got potentially have the volume on the end of this candle. And that was the reason why I went from the 1 to the 3 in the first place. It's because the 3 was given a little bit more clarity and more information. And then as I kept digging into it, because obviously we went from the 5 to the 1, and then I told you guys I settled on the 3. It's just because of the clarity information, having 3 minutes worth of candles versus 1 as the entry time frame. That was the whole purpose. Obviously, is to refine and minimize losses, maximize wins. We're still going to have losses regardless, but we're not going to have as many, you know? And I think we've already, those that actually go back and back test and look, and as I do, we already see the comparisons between utilizing 1 First of all, the utilizing the 1 versus the 3. Because even we had some people still trading the 1 when we were trading the 3, and you were seeing some of the times when they would be saying SL when we haven't even had an entry yet. Because of just that, you know, extra 2 minutes inside that candle, just giving us a little bit more confluence. But there's also been times when they've said TP, you know, and we haven't even taken a trade. I thought the blue colors are all back to blue magic. You're right, 100%. That is why. Yeah. That is the reason going forward. Ken is the man. Yeah, if we can get this to happen without a pullback first, then I'm game. That gives us, we'll more than likely have a shot here in the next 40 minutes. But if this starts to settle and pull back here, then it's probably not going to happen right now. We're not far off, though. Need about 10 more points on this 5 minute. We're live all week. We're good to go. We don't have anything in the afternoon that will stop us from trading, so we're live all week. Oh, man, this thing's pulling back pretty hard now. There we go. All right, y'all. That's all I needed to see. That's all I needed to see. All right, so one more time, records in the chat. Let me know if you had whatever your points were today. I'm at just under even. I'm at $10 per account, so minus 10 per account, plus 75, and payout coming from George. Good stuff. Another challenge passed for him. Amy got 6 points. Steph's at BE today. Christine BE. Blue got 2 challenges passed. Good stuff. What's up, Cindy? 5 points. Jazzy J minus $7. Bob's got 25. Ken's got 25. Good stuff. Jimmy P with 12. Coach J minus 43. Paul even. Cool. So I took 2 trades today. First trade got out just under 25 points. As we got to 50, moving my stop loss up. We got up to 60 something, almost to our TP of 75. But a lot of you guys had much better entries than I did. I had 250, and I think the lowest entry I saw was like 238. So that was really good. For me, it got up to 63. And then mainly because of that first one hitting 25, I wanted to take another shot, and the second shot didn't work out. So that's why I'm even for the day. and now the market is confused. So we'll let her figure out her stuff, and we'll come back tomorrow. Let me see something here. I mean, if you guys want to watch this for another 36 minutes, it's not too far away from completely flipping back over to the buyers here. But I'll let you guys do that on your own. I will see you guys tomorrow for Tuesday session. If there's anything you guys need from me, as always, feel free to hit me up on Telegram. Those of you guys on YouTube, thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Share the stream. We'll be live on YouTube all of February. I am committed to doing that all of February. You guys are welcome. Peace out for now. Have a great day.